So you've come to the point in your Amazon selling career where you need to provide your merchant token ID. Not quite sure where that is, so you've searched the internet to try to find out how to locate that token ID. You've come to the right place. My name is Justin. This is the Winds of Change channel, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find that information really quickly so you can get back to whatever it is you have going on for your Amazon business. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your account settings here in Seller Central. You'll go to the little cog up at the top right and go down to account info. And once you're in account info, you're going to want to go over here to the left, sort of down halfway in the middle here, business information. And then once you click on that, you're going to want to click on your merchant token, and then that's going to take you over here to where you can find the merchant token for all of the Amazon sites that you're on, United States, Mexico, Canada. Copy whichever one you need, and then you've got your merchant token ID. It's literally that easy. Sometimes it can be difficult to find things on Amazon seller page because there's a lot of things to click on, but once you know what to click on, you're in good shape. So hopefully this video got you there and you can get your merchant token ID and share it with whoever you need to share it with, that you can get your business running. By the way, keep this private. This is not something to give out to everyone. It is to your specific seller account. So this should only be shared with, say, third parties who needed to have access to certain information so that you can, better your business and move on and expand with certain third-party vendors. Amazon will sometimes ask for it, like, for example, the multi-destination fulfillment thing that everybody was enrolled to here in September of 2023. They're asking for that so that you can unenroll if you want to. So there are different reasons where you would share, but don't just give this information out to anybody. So we talk about Amazon, retail arbitrage, selling, making money on this channel. If you like it, please subscribe. Have a good one. Don't be a jerk, and I'll catch you all later.